Alright guys, coming at this a little late, but I actually got the idea from my good friend. His name is here. Go ahead and subscribe to him. He definitely does a heck of a lot more videos and work than I do, and turns out some beautiful cars. But he told me that I should probably be doing this. Got it halfway through. Right now we are rebuilding a 1994 Kawasaki Bayou 220. It's a KLF 220 for my 8-year-old son. He's been involved with it, and I told him if he was going to ride it, he was definitely going to have to work on it. So I do have some pictures that'll come up in a slideshow shortly of the progress we have and what it started out like. But right now, we do have the repair of the plastics, the fenders for it. Definitely was in rough shape when we got it. You can see the repair to the front fender, and this piece was actually completely cracked off. I used 3M's 8115 adhesive with a fiberglass backer in order to repair it. Definitely came out good, definitely came out strong. I'm just hoping that it holds up through the trails once we get this thing thrashing. Found new old stock rear storage cover. That was hard to find. Did find it on eBay. Was happy to get that. The bike never had one. Right now we do have it in a prep deck. We are going to be covering it in U-pol's Raptor bedliner. We'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, well there you have it. Everything you see that was originally green was the original color, which you'll see in the slideshow photos. It was actually a pretty nice paint job, lime green with flames on it. So anything that is still there will either be hidden or covered in black paint later. This U-pol's Raptor bedliner, Kawasaki Bayou front and rear fenders, storage compartment cover. I think it turned out pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. Not too bad for an 8-year-old's four-wheeler. He's coming off a Badger 80 right now, going on to a 220. This is definitely a derelict project, but we are resurrecting it.